How to fix Instagram audio call option not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Instagram's audio call option not showing. So let's get started. So the problem is whenever you're on your Instagram and on someone's DMs, you will not see the audio call option on the top right corner. So this is the one right here. If you do not find it, the reason can be your app not being up to date to the latest version and due to many bugs and issues. So to fix this, what you'll need to do is head over to the App Store and then search for your Instagram. Now the reason can be your app not being up to date, so simply search for Instagram and then check if there is an update available. If there is an update button instead of the open button, simply update the app and you should be good to go. You can open it up and you can head back to the DM and check if the audio call option is back. So after doing that, your problem should get fixed. But if that does not fix your problem, head over to your settings, simply navigate to general. You should find iPhone storage right there. Tap on it and search for your Instagram. So let us search for Instagram, open it up, and then you will simply need to offload the app. Offload your app and then reinstall it back again, and that should fix the issue. If again that does not fix the issue, completely delete the app and then reinstall it completely, and that will obviously fix the issue, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.